Page 3 of Simple Geometric Probability. What is the sample space for suits of a standard 52 card deck of cards? So the number of suits, there's 4 of them. So we got hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. So if I'm pulling a suit, I could pull a heart, a diamond, a club, or a spade. Sample space for numbers on a dice. Thank you for not calling it a number cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Sample space for sides of a coin. Heads, tails. What is the probability of rolling an even number on a dice? So like we saw earlier, if our entire possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 2, 4, and 6 are even, so there's 3 possible outcomes we want, 6 total, so that gives us half. Drawing a club out of a deck of cards. In case you guys were wondering, there's 13 of each suit. So I can pull a club, 13, 2 through king, or ace, sorry, out of 52 total, which reduces down to 1/4. Probability that I flip a coin and land on heads. Tails, my apologies. So that's 50-50, 1/2. Garrett is spinning a spinner, number 1 through 10. He's got A, even number, B, greater than 5. Draw a Venn diagram that gives me the probability of each event. Oops, don't break that, Sean. So we've got our handy dandy Venn diagram. So, universal set, 1 through 10. Oh gosh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sample event A is an even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Event B was number greater than 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh gosh. Not a good circle. It's a bad circle day. I don't know what's going on. There we go. Let me, I got to resize them a little bit, make them a little bigger so I can operate. There we go. A little lopsided, but that's all right. So we got event A and event B. So probability that the one we rolled was an A. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Only B would be 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then 1, 3, and 5 were neither. So 1, 3, and 5 were neither. So when I look at this, we got to figure out who's in both, and then we're going to determine our own probabilities based on that. So 2, is 2 in both? Nope. 4 in both? Nope. 6, however, 6 is in both, so he goes in the middle. 7 in both? Nope. 8 in both? Yes. So he goes in the middle. 9 and then 10 will also go to the middle. So now we've got our Venn diagram situated. So we're just going to go ahead and determine the probability we have. So we've got 2 possible outcomes of only A. So that'd be 2 out of 10. So the probability of only A is 1/5. only are both A and B, there's 3 out of 10. And then only B, 2 out of 10 again, which gives us 1 out of 5. And then we can't forget about those outliers, those guys that are sitting on the outside looking at us. There's 3 of them, so we got 3 out of 10. And then remember, our up top, our numerators, well, before we reduce, our numerators should add up to 10. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 gives us 10 out of 10. So there's a 100% probability that something's going to happen. Remember, probability will always fall between 0 and 1. This concludes page 3.